Target didn't label any of these pieces. Hey guys, so I've just been chilling. I got home from work at like 2, it's now 6, and I've been recording my temperature blanket videos. I'm a couple days behind on TikTok. I've been posting daily. Vader, stop eating the yarn. Vader, 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 Vader. Okay. Anyway, I've been posting daily on TikTok, so I'm like on day 16 and it's the 19th today, so I'm trying to catch up and post those TikToks. But yeah, so we're trying to, okay, my camera's filming the Joker back there. Yeah, so I've been posting daily temperature blanket updates and then weekly temperature blanket updates on YouTube here. So I'm working on that. I've been watching some YouTube videos while I just hang out and do that. I just had dinner, but I want to show you, I just bought something for the craft room. So I bought just this like cheap white bookshelf at Target, you know, standard white bookshelf. Let me take you to the craft room. I gotta build that, but let me show you what's going on in the craft room. So this, yeah, so the craft room, I redid it obviously and it's a mess. So yeah, my goal is to build the bookshelf, and I don't really want to move like my boards up there, so I'm probably gonna put, I think I'm gonna put the bookshelf like in this corner because there's nothing really on the wall there, and I'm just gonna move this little like, I have this little like nook shelf thing that I think I'm gonna probably move into my closet down here because these wire shelves just completely collapsed with my yarn on them, so I think I'm gonna move those, put that little shelf in there maybe. I was thinking of putting this like vertically and then I'll have like little more space over there, but I don't know if I want to do that because then I might have to move these things. I don't know. And those are like drilled into the wall. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to do yet, but I definitely want to put the bookshelf in here so I can clean up all this mess of stuff that I'm working on. And just like, you know, have extra shelving stuff. So I have like those bins there. I just have so much stuff in here and I needed a big shelf. So I bought that and I'm going to build that and put it in here eventually. The lighting in here is very sinister. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and finish filming some of my temperature blanket stuff. And then I'll probably try and build that bookshelf tonight. I don't really know. We'll see how long it takes me to do the temperature blanket stuff. Yeah, I have 2 more days to record, so it just takes a while because I have to like, it just takes a while because I have to like do the whole row. So 300 stitches is a lot, but we're gonna do that and then maybe try to build my bookshelf and get my craft room in order just because like I have no desire to work in there, hence why I'm crocheting on the couch. Well, first of all, the couch is just comfy, but second of all, it's just a mess in there and I don't feel like working in there, so yeah, we're gonna clean her up. Okay, so I did just film days, I filmed for the 17th and the 18th on TikTok. I just gotta do the 19th for my temperature blanket. It's like 7 o'clock now, so I don't know. I mean, I'm caught up. I'm just a day behind now, so maybe I'll save it for later or like tomorrow. Because I still have to finish this whole row for day 17 before I can film day, no. I have to finish this whole row still for like day 18 before I can even film day 19, and I don't know, I just kind of want to like build my bookshelf and get my craft room in order so that this weekend I can kind of do some more sewing and stuff in there, make some more bags and things for the craft fair. And I also just like, I have so many videos to edit. Like I still have the rest of my craft room makeover to edit. I have like a vlog, a craft fair vlog to edit. So many things. So yeah, I want to like work on editing some videos tomorrow and maybe doing some sewing. But yeah, pretty soon I'm not gonna be able to hold the entire temperature blanket up. But it's looking fun. If you guys aren't watching the crochet along, you totally should. And you should totally be making a temperature blanket because it's fun. But yeah, I think I'm gonna build a bookshelf. I need to go find the tools. I think they're in the basement. Also, it like started to fiercely rain outside. Like there's a big storm going on. So hopefully the lights don't go out. Target didn't label any of these pieces, so I don't know how I'm supposed to know what piece is what. Like there aren't, usually there's little like letter stickers on these things, but like how am I supposed to know? Like how do I know now? This is, I hate this. I mean, I think this is like a bottom piece just because of where the holes are, and these look like shelves. I guess, I don't know. I mean, this might be the middle piece, maybe? That seems right. Maybe this is like another piece. I really don't know. I know those are the shelves. Why? Okay, I think I figured it out. I don't know why they don't label anything. Do you just see the cat in the box over there? Miles, what are you doing? I hope the Target bookshelf's a little bit better quality than the ones I used to get from Walmart, because those, like, you would move them and they'd fall apart instantly. So I didn't feel like waiting for a IKEA bookshelf, so we just bought one at Target because I had a gift card. Okay, now I gotta figure out what pieces are C and D. I mean, maybe these ones? I mean, that looks right. Yes. More wooden dowels. Alright, time to put this together. Do you guys see this? Like, why are the seams just like scotch taped together? Did someone like return this and this is like how they fixed it or something? I don't... It's fine. We're gonna nail this in and then the bookshelf will be built. Yay! Okay, so I just finished building the bookshelf and let me tell you, it came with this little like thing to like hold the nails in place while you hammer it, and this was a game changer because I didn't hammer my finger once. So yeah, bookshelf all made. Now I gotta go into the craft room and we've got to make space for this because it's just gonna be chilling in my living room until I do that. So I'm gonna go move some stuff around in the craft room. Yeah, let's go do that. So I think I'm just gonna move this stuff like out of the way enough so I can get the bookshelf in here at least. Yeah. Because I'm not ready to like try to figure out how to like put everything away yet. So we're just gonna kind of move everything out of the way because a lot of this stuff I need to put on the bookshelf, so I can't really move this stuff into the closet till I move all that stuff out of the way. But let's just get to the whole cleaning part now. Alright, I just put everything on the shelf here. I'm probably going to move that eventually, but first I need to like deal. These are all just bags of yarn and fabric and stuff I have to put away, so I might just do that tomorrow. But yeah, I'll clean up that little section eventually. But essentially what I did is I put some extra interfacing I had down there. Then I just have like my polyfill. And then these top shelves are like everything I'm currently working on. So like I just have like a hat I need to put a pom-pom on. These are some finished items for the craft fair. These are all purses that I have cut out that I need to sew. And those are some more wallets I need to sew. And these are some scrunchies I need to sew. And then I just put one of my finished bags up there because I have nowhere else to put it. That's my wedding bouquet, dream catcher. Yeah, I'm probably going to move that eventually. I need to figure out where to put my yarn because these shelves just like to fall apart. I might reconfigure the closet. I don't know. We shall see. But yeah, that's just where we're at right now.